This is a really random video, but for anybody working on a Ford 80s model or late 70s that uses fuel pumps, electric fuel pumps, but still uses a carburetor, I want to show you guys something that you may run into. So I've got a problem with my fuel pump circuit, and somebody's been messing with it. Now it's even worse. But my issue is actually the oil pressure switch. So there's two on here. This is the sending unit for the gauge. This one down here, oh, gotta fix that. Anyway, this one down here is a safety for the fuel pumps. The fuel pumps won't actually run unless the engine has oil pressure, which is pretty interesting. So I have good voltage on my switching valve because I have dual tanks, but no voltage to the fuel pumps no matter what. If I jump it, then the fuel pumps work, and I'm talking about back at the actual fuel tank itself. So what I did just now was I just jumped this oil pressure switch, and the fuel tanks work. So I could replace that switch. I could diagnose the connector. What I'm going to do is just butt splice these wires together and forget about it. It's not going to affect anything except the fuel pump will now run with the key on, which in my opinion is a great thing because no more having to prime the carburetor. So win on multiple fronts in my opinion. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.